Welcome to Board Briefs with Bridget. I'm Bridget Hazelbaker, the Director of Student Support and Communications at Richmond Community Schools. At tonight's school board meeting, we celebrated the Richmond High School bowling teams. Let's take a listen.
Last year we were in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. A year prior we were in Dayton. Before that, Louisville. You have to qualify for the state tournament in order to be eligible for this tournament. Sadly, we barely missed that. Monday, I received an email from the tournament director stating that this year's tournament being in Fort Wayne, he would like to offer an invitation for us to go to said tournament based on our success in the years past.
Hello, Richmond Red Devils. This is Nicole Stults, one of your school board members. So this evening at our school board meeting, we had a communications plan that was presented as well as a marketing plan. The Richmond Community Schools communication plan provides a structured approach to effectively engage internal and external stakeholders. And this plan ensures a unified voice across all communications, fostering transparency as well as engagement, and then also support for RCS initiatives. So that's a little bit about what we talked about in regards to our marketing and communication plan. This evening, we also looked at several of our school board policies, and that's one of the key factors, one of the key jobs, I guess I should say, of our school boards, and we went through several of those and moved them on to second reading. Any of those can be accessed online on wearerichmond.com. One of the things I'd like to highlight from this evening's board meeting are the donations. We had over $3,300 in donations from community members. Just want to say thank you for the generosity that's been shown and bestowed on our students. We appreciate everyone's generosity to our community. Thank you.
The bell ringer at tonight's school board meeting was the Richmond High School Red Devil Players. They're performing this weekend at McGuire Hall. Their play is called The Day the Internet Died. They have performances on Friday at 7 p.m., Saturday at 7 p.m., and Sunday at 2 p.m. The price for admission for students is $5, and the price for adults is $10. We hope to see you there. Thank you for your continued support of Richmond Community Schools. I'll see you next time.